everyone. Today, special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us their 100% blackout curtains. You can see the sticker here, as well as the size. This is the 79 by 58 inch. Now, these are not traditional blackout curtains. You can see on the back, you can cut these to any size and shape. You can use them for a bedroom, a skylight, or a car. They're portable and lightweight, and they black out 100% of light. These don't go on like a rod. They go on the wall with double-sided tape. Let's open it up and show you what you get here. And that's it for the box. As you can see, you get a few things here. This is basically how you would be able to mount this. You'd be able to peel these off. The back is sticky, and then these would stick on to the blackout curtain so that it's all blacked out. There's 30 of these because, one goes to the curtain and one goes to the wall so that they can, Velcro together. Outside of that, you get some longer Velcro strips here. Looks like you get 4 of these. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. You also get an entire measuring tape. Look at that. That's pretty long. You can measure out what you need so that you can cut these to fit the window, skylight, etc. that you're using it for. And then lastly, there's the blackout curtain. So it is literally just a thick sheet that is completely not see-through. For example, if I use the light on my phone and put it behind it, like even right up against it, you don't get any light through. So 79 by 58 inches though, good size. You can cut it as you need. Perfect to black out a room for a theater or something like that. Really, really like this product, and it's also super easy to set up and install. So thanks again to this company. It was nice enough to send me these blackout curtains to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.